Mahatma Gandhi once quoted, "It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver," which is the absolute truth. After all, we can live without good wealth, but without good health, it is impossible to survive. Always remember, you can't take your money nor your career into the grave. And one of the best cures for all diseases is not any magic pill or drugs, but our own health habits. When I was still studying in med school, I never forget the one lesson that our professor taught us. The best cure for our patients is not any drug medication, but to fix their lifestyle. According to WHO, 60% of factors related to individual health and quality of life are correlated to lifestyle habits. Millions of people follow an unhealthy lifestyle. Hence, they encounter illness, disability, and even death. Problems like metabolic diseases, joint and skeletal problems, cardiovascular diseases, hypertension, overweight, violence, and so on can be caused by an unhealthy lifestyle. That is the root of all illnesses. If unhealthy habits such as smoking, alcohol consuming, drug abuse, unhealthy diet, stress management are left unchecked, we will fall ill eventually. It's only a matter of time. On the other hand, if we practice healthy habits consistently, the less likely we fall sick. Unfortunately, most people are still ignorant of this cold, hard fact. And even though they are aware of their poor health habits, they have no idea how to make healthy habits stick. People are desperate for this info that will help them regain their health and boost longevity. Keeping this in mind, this is a goldmine opportunity for entrepreneurs who are looking for a super hot niche to profit from while helping others live a healthier, wealthier life. Don't forget that health has always been the #1 niche online, with millions of monthly searches and a market value capped over billions. So, if you can see the money-making opportunity from this niche, you are at the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a mega health and wellness empire and dazzle your audience without paying through your nose or working your butt off to build your business from the ground up, while offering life-changing experience to your clients at the same time. Hi, this is Sean here, and on behalf of me and my partner Callie, we would like to introduce you to our latest self-help PLR. And this PLR will definitely blow you away. We share a common mission. That is to help people like you to create a thriving business that you are passionate about, so you can create real freedom for yourself and live the life you truly desire with private label rights. With your permission, let me ask you this. Are you ready to 10 times your profit and catapult your business to a whole new level? If you answered yes, then you have finally reached the right place to skyrocket your business with almost zero effort on your part. Now, not tomorrow, not in 12 months' time. Truth is, most online business owners give up just when they're about to make their next breakthrough. They quit on the 1-yard line, and I don't want you to be one of them. I'm going to show you how you can grab your slice from the billion-dollar opportunity if you stick with me till the end. Here are some common myths when it comes to making money online. Nope, you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a tech geek. Heck, you don't even have to spend hours ransacking the entire internet on strategies to make money online, which most of them don't work. So what is the secret when it comes to building a long-term profitable business? Think of all the top online business owners who are profiting at least 6 figures monthly. What do they have in common? They have their own product, courses, and that's how they built their brand. That said, the key to bringing your business to the whole new stratosphere is to have your own quality contents in the market, to the right audience, in the hottest niche, and at the right time. That's how you brand yourself as an authority figure and make your mark in your niche. However, product creation requires tons of hard work. The good news is I have a solution for you. What if I can provide you massive, high-quality content so you can dominate the health and wellness niche with ease? What if I can shortcut the entire product creation process for you, provide you a working business model so that you can start building your own lists and even generating sales right away? What if I do all the market research, handle all the stress and hard work for you, so that all you need to do is sit back, relax, and watch your business grow? Today, I'm going to give you full access to a brand new 100% unique product that you can sell to keep 100% of the profits. Introducing Healthy Habits with full unrestricted PLR rights. This is the real solution that those who want to create a better lifestyle so that they can be healthier, wealthier, and happier. This blueprint will help you install healthy habits and automatically eliminate destructive ones. This transformational guide contains everything you need to know about harnessing the power of healthy habits to better your health, the quality of healthy habits, how to break bad habits, attaining work-life balance, eating a balanced diet, and many other health-boosting tips. Ultimately, this is your customer's go-to health guide to avoid falling sick and improve their quality of life. One massive blueprint jam-packed with valuable information that your customers would thank you for, all with full, unrestricted private label rights. You can sell for 100% profits, edit the content, rebrand, be the author, put your name as the author, give away your list, membership site, build and grow your own membership site, feed your blog, repurpose the product and do whatever you want that fits your marketing needs, and so on. The choice is ultimately yours. Look, you're not looking at some crappy, scammy, third-rate business opportunity here. Our team and I worked hard to ensure that you'll get a complete, well-researched, and highly in-demand PLR package with full sales funnel, with impeccable content and beautiful graphics so that you can easily make a killing online. We've literally done all the heavy lifting for you. You get a total of 10 big modules for the entire package. That includes the complete checklist, mind map, DFY high-converting sales page and thank you page, hypnotizing video sales letter, DFY email swipes, the entire graphic vault, and license certificates. Also, you will get your exclusive special report, 7 simple tips for a healthier diet, alongside with a done-for-you landing page to build your list and even pre-sell right from the get-go. That's a full-blown PLR package right there that saves you tremendous amount of time and money if you choose to outsource the whole thing. In other words, you don't have to waste your time on niche research. You don't have to burn thousands of dollars on expensive copywriters or graphic designers. You don't have to drive yourself nuts with endless content creation. Really now, producing your own content can take up a lot of free time that can otherwise be spent on other things like affiliate marketing, coaching programs, or closing high-ticket sales. Why start everything from scratch when you have a high-quality, done-for-you product at your disposal? And if you act today, you'll also score some fast-action bonuses. This is for a limited time only, so if these bonuses are still listed below, you're still in time. Now and for an extremely limited time, we're offering this complete PLR package for far less than the lowest price of any PLR product you can see out there. Don't let the extremely low price fool you though. One of the core principles of our business is to make sure that you get the best value from us. So, for a limited time, we're giving away our top PLR package with high converting materials at basement price. I want to keep my promise to you that you can get everything you see on this page for an extremely affordable investment. Special discount only applies during this launch exclusive. Once the timer hits 0, the price will be radically increased. No ongoing fees or monthly fees. One unbelievable low price for a full-blown PLR package with exceptional contents, fully integrated with high-converting sales funnel ready to generate you continuous profits from just one sale. Now, even a no-brainer knows that this is a golden opportunity that doesn't come often. If you're afraid of getting stuck with another poor-quality PLR, remember that you're backed by our rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. We're so convinced that this is the best investment you could ever make that we are going to take all the risk away from you. At this very moment, really now, there's no way you can lose with this 100% winning deal if you act today. So why wait? Click on the order button below. Let Healthy Habits PLR build the online freedom that you always wanted.